Africa is at a pivotal moment. Across the continent, scientific capacity is rising, manufacturing is scaling up, yet global health financing is declining, putting hard-won progress at risk and exposing fragile systems. This moment demands African-led solutions, now more than ever. African governments and institutions have made their ambition clear, aligned with Agenda 2063 and with Africa's health and development priorities. To invest in research and development, to produce 60% of Africa's vaccines locally by 2040. Achieving this means building the full value chain from discovery to delivery, designing, developing, testing, and manufacturing vaccines and biologics end to end, for health priorities defined by Africa. This is why Achieve Africa exists. Achieve Africa is a continent-led initiative championed by the African Union. Its mission is clear: to power Africa's research and development engine through technology transfer, sustainable financing, and long-term equitable partnerships. From early vaccine discovery to workforce training and clinical research, from regulatory readiness to scalable manufacturing. Achieve Africa is collaborative by design, connecting scientists, institutions, manufacturers, and funders, aligned with the Accra Reset and the new vision for development finance and partnership. African leaders design, govern, and co-finance Achieve Africa, ensuring decisions are made by Africa for Africa. The launch of Achieve Africa is a shared commitment to invest in science as the foundation of health security, resilience, and sovereignty. This is an open invitation to governments, to scientists and innovators, to institutions, funders, and partners around the world. Join us in building Africa's end-to-end research and development ecosystem. Support African-led innovation. Strengthen global health security. Achieve Africa.